Lesson 13. Tenses. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. A. I work. B. I worked. C. I shall work. What do you observe from above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. We observe that the tense of a verb is the form that indicates the time of an action. Verbs give information about the action taking place in the present, past, or future. Present tense. The present tense shows that an action is taking place in the present but does not indicate when the action will end. Example: we manufacture spare parts for automobiles. Forms of sentence. Positive: I, we, you, they, or plural subject plus ist form of the verb plus object. He, she, it or singular subject plus ist form of verb plus ss plus object. Examples: A. I play cricket. B. You play cricket. C. She plays cricket. D. I go to school. E. You go to school. F. He goes to school. Negative: I, we, you, they, all other plural subjects plus do not plus ist form of verb plus object. He, she, it, all other singular subjects plus does not plus ist form of verb plus object. Examples: A. I do not run every morning. B. He does not run every morning. Interrogative: A. Plus I, we, you, they, all other plural subjects plus ist form of the verb plus object. Does plus he, she, it, all other singular subjects plus ist form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. Do you like painting? B. Does she go to park every day? WH question. Question word plus do does plus subject plus root form of the verb plus. Examples: A. When do you get up? B. Where does Ravi play hockey? Uses. This tense is used to express habitual actions, universal truth, to express situation, and to express characteristics. A. I meet him at the bus stop every day, habitual action. B. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Universal truth. C. She goes to a dance class once in a week, situation. D. He loves classical music, characteristics. Grammar, connect. Every day, usually, generally, always, never, often are oftenly used in present tense. Past tense. The past tense shows that something is completed in the past time. Examples: A. Pranay sang well. B. My father bought me new books. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple past tense. Forms of sentence. Positive sentence, subject plus ein form of verb plus object. Example: He went to school. Negative sentence, subject plus did not plus ist form of verb plus object. Example: Amit did not play cricket. Interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus ist form of verb plus object. Example: Did you know the man? WH question word. WH word plus did plus subject plus ist form of verb plus object. Example: When did you go home? Uses. This tense is used to express some past habit, actions that took place at some points of past actions that began and ended in the past, to make polite request. Examples: A. She spoke for 2 hours on the topic past habit. B. We won the trophy last month, action that happened at some point of past. C. I spent my childhood in a village, actions that began in past. D. I needed to ask you for a favor, a polite request. Grammar, connect. Yesterday, last week, last month, etc. are often used in past tense. Future tense. Future tense tells about an action that is yet to happen and will be in the future. Examples: the principal will not come today. B. I will meet them tomorrow. Forms of sentence. Positive sentence, subject plus will shall plus ist form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. They will perform dance show. B. I will see you tomorrow. Negative sentence, subject plus shall will plus not plus ist form of verb plus object. Examples: A. Rohit will not join us tomorrow. B. We shall not go there. Interrogative sentence, will shall plus subject plus ist form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. Will Rahul come home tomorrow? B. Will you write this novel in a month? WH question word. WH question word plus will shall plus subject plus ist form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. Who will win the race? B. What will you do tomorrow? Uses. This tense is used to do something at the time of speaking about future events, believe in the future. Examples: A. I shall lock the door now. B. They will dance now. To talk about future events in which our own wishes do not matter. Examples: A. Traffic will be very heavy in the morning. B. They will see you tomorrow. To talk about what we think or believe will happen in the future. Examples: A. I think the prices of petrol will rise soon. B. I am sure that he will get a grade in all the subjects. Grammar, connect. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, etc. are used in future tense. The going to form. Read the following sentences. A. I am going to visit Kolkata, intention. B. Parul is going to win the race, indication. First sentence in the above examples suggests intention and the second one suggests indication. The form going to is used to show intention or to show that there are indications that something is going to happen. The form also expresses actions in the future. Continuous tenses. Present continuous tense. We use present continuous form of a verb when the action carries on and continues. Examples: A. Tina is taking tea. B. The children are reading in the study room. The verbs in these sentences are in the present continuous tense. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus is rm plus ist form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I am singing a song. B. He is singing a song. Negative, subject plus is rm plus not plus ist form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I am not singing a song. B. They are not singing a song. Interrogative: is am a plus subject plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. Am I singing a song? B. Are they singing a song? WH question plus is am a plus subject plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. Why am I singing a song? B. Where are they singing a song? Uses: this tense is used to express an action taking place at the present time and to indicate a planned future event. Examples: A. Amal is drawing a picture. B. We are learning Kathak. In such sentences, it is important to mention the time of action planned future event. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to mention an ongoing action in the past. Examples: the children were studying in the study room. B. I was taking my lunch. The verbs in these sentences are in the past continuous tense. Forms of sentence: affirmative, subject plus was were plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I was dancing in the room. B. He was reading a story. Negative, subject plus was were plus not plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I was not dancing in the room. B. They were not singing a song. Interrogative, was were plus subject plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. Was I kicking the ball when he came? B. Were they packing woolen garments? WH question plus was were plus subject plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. When was she dancing in the room? B. Where were they going in the evening? Uses: this tense is used to describe an action that had started in the past and going on for a duration at that time. Example: she was studying all night. To mark out an action of relatively longer duration in the past. Example: when I visited her yesterday, she was cooking. To show a long, lasting action when narrating a story. Example: the queen was sitting on her throne. Future continuous tense. It shows an ongoing activity that will begin in the future. Examples: the child will be reading in the study room. B. We will be taking our lunch. The verbs in these sentences are in the future continuous tense. Forms of sentence: affirmative, subject plus will be shall be plus ist form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I shall be will be watching the game. B. They will be dancing at home. Negative, subject plus will not be shall not be plus ist form of the verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. I shall not be watching the game. B. They will not be dancing at home. Interrogative, will shall plus subject plus be plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. Will you be watching the game? B. Will they be dancing at home? Question: WH question plus will shall plus subject plus be plus ist form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: A. What will you be buying tomorrow? B. Where will you be going for picnic? Uses. This tense is used to express an action continuing at some points of time in the future. Example: I will be practicing singing in the evening. To express something that will happen as a matter of routine or as a planned happening. Example: they will be entering the town in half an hour. Perfect tenses. Present perfect tense. It shows an action happened at an unspecified time before now. Examples: A. They have gone home. B. We have had our breakfast. The verbs in these sentences are in the present perfect tense. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus have has plus 3 form of verb plus object. Examples: A. I have done it. B. He has done it. Negative, subject plus have has plus not plus 3 form of verb plus object. Examples: A. I have not done it. B. He has not done it. Interrogative, have has plus subject plus 3 form of verb plus object. Examples: A. Have I done it? B. Has he done it? WH, question plus has have plus subject plus 3 form of verb plus object. Examples: A. Whom has he given the book? B. Where have they seen the movie? Uses. This tense is used to express actions which have just ended. Example: a serious train accident has just taken place. To express actions performed in the past but the results of which we can see or feel still now or in the present. Example: my uncle has completed his PhD in English. Completed it long back but the result is still there. To show completed events but exact moment of completion is not known. Example: he has lent his book to Shalini. We should not use any word denoting a past time with the present perfect tense. I have joined this company in July wrong. I have joined this company right. I joined this company in April right. Grammar, connect. Already, just, recently are often used in the present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used in sentences to indicate an action that started in the recent past and is still ongoing. Examples: A. They have been trying hard to save the people trapped in the fire. B. He has been coming here regularly. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus have has plus been plus present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: I have been doing it since morning. Negative, subject plus have has plus not plus been plus present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: I have not been doing it since morning. Interrogative, have has plus subject plus been plus present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: has she been waiting here for 15 minutes? WH, question word plus has have plus subject plus been plus present participle of the main verb. Examples: A. Where have you been cooking food? B. Why has he been doing it for 2 hours? Uses. This tense is used to show an action which began in the past and is still going on. Example: I have been playing tennis. Past perfect tense. It shows that something happened before a specific time in the past. Examples: A. They had gone home. B. He had taken him for dinner. The verbs in these sentences are in the past perfect tense. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus had plus IIRD form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. I had caught it. B. He had caught it. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus IIRD form of the verb plus object. Examples: A. I had not caught it. B. He had not caught it. Interrogative, had plus subject plus IIRD form of verb plus object. Examples: A. Had I caught it? B. Had he caught it? WH. Question plus had plus subject plus IIRD form of verb plus object. Examples: A. What had they said that made him so angry? B. Who had done your work? Uses. When we are already talking about a past action, we will have to use the past perfect tense to refer to an action that took place even earlier. Example: the patient had died before the doctor came. In the above sentence, the doctor came is a past action and the patient had died, an action that happened before that. Past perfect continuous tense, it shows an action started and ended at some point in the past. The sentence includes a time reference to show when the action started and ended. Examples: A. I had been working at the company for 5 years. B. Pratha had been walking since 2 o'clock. Form of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus had plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: she had been watching the movie for 2 hours. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: she had not been watching the movie for 2 hours. Interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: had she been watching the movie for 2 hours? Future perfect tense. It shows the action that would have been completed in the future. It gives a sense of completion of tasks that would get done in the future. Examples: A. They will have gone home. B. I shall have had my breakfast. The verbs in these sentences are in the future perfect tense. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, subject plus shall will plus have plus IIRD form of verb plus object. Example: I shall will have eaten my lunch. Negative, subject plus shall will plus not plus have plus IIRD form of verb plus object. Example: he will not have eaten his lunch. Interrogative, shall will plus subject plus have plus IIRD form of verb plus object. Examples: A. Will he not have eaten the food? B. How much time will he wasted before he finishes the work? Uses. This tense is used to express an action that will have been completed before a given point of time in the future. Example: they will have reached Ottawa by now. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is like the future perfect tense, but it expresses longer action to start extending up to some specific event or time. Examples: the child will have been sleeping since 9 p.m. B. They will have been living in Canada for 3 years. Forms of sentence. Affirmative, Subject plus shall will plus have plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: she will have been singing for 3 hours. Negative: subject plus shall will plus not plus have plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: she will not have been singing for 3 hours. Interrogative: shall will plus subject plus have plus been plus the present participle of the main verb plus object. Example: will she have been singing for 3 hours?